Peace. The day supreme mathematics is knowledge equality. Through my knowledge is how I deal in equality. Look, listen. When people ask that question, who, you should be that person of that set ability to ask the question because you know. Because you're the poor righteous teacher. You know who the 85% is, you know who the 10% is, and you know who the 5% is. So you're going to lead them in the right direction. You're going to teach the poor the truth instead of lies. Or who's the true living God, the supreme being, black man from Asia. You are civilized and righteous, teaching freedom, justice, equality on the poor part of the planet Earth where knowledge is needed the most. This is why we take the devil off the planet mentally and physically, because we got knowledge of self. And this is why the earth is our equality, because we know the circumference, the diameter, the square mileage was useful, land, water, lakes, rivers, and the desert. We the 5% use our knowledge and deal in equality with our supreme mathematics because we got the power. There should be no 5%er that's uncivilized. I beg your pardon, I never heard of one. Knowledge is first. So we're dealing with original people. So we got to be equal with our knowledge, wisdom, and understanding with man, woman, and child. All 6 human families of the planet Earth. But you got to look, listen, and observe to get the respect. So you can be equal and fair and share. Because each one teach one to reach one and leave none. And with that, I say peace to the 5% nation, the gods, the earths, and the babies. I be Power C. Born Allah.